Now we're going to, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So now we're going to continue. Now we're going to combine, make a combination of utilizing the sounds that we have along with the vowels, the harakat. You're going to use the combination of the two. Alif by itself does not have a sound. Ba makes the B sound by itself without any vowels. Ta makes the T sound by itself without any vowels. Tha makes the Th sound by itself without any vowels. Now, I mentioned that Aleph doesn't have any vowels. I mentioned that Aleph doesn't have any sound. But if you put a Fatha over top of the Aleph, Fatha making the A sound, and Aleph doesn't have a sound, so if it has a Fatha over top of it, then Aleph with the Fatha over top will be pronounced as A. You have another Aleph without anything on it. I'm going to place a Kasra underneath it. An Aleph doesn't have a sound by itself, but with the vowel it makes a sound, so that Kasra underneath gives the Aleph the E sound. Now you have Aleph in the middle, which is still the same letter. It doesn't change anything, and the same rules applies. It does not have a sound, but it has a sound when it has a vowel connected to it. So I'll put a Dhamma over top of that Aleph. It makes the U sound. And if I put the Sukoon over top of the Aleph, Aleph doesn't have any sound, so therefore it's not going to make a sound. Now let's go to the letter Ba. Ba by itself, without any vowels or any harakat over top of it, it makes the B sound. So when we add a Fatha to the letter Ba over top of it, the Fatha over top, it makes the Ba sound. When we add a Kasra underneath the Ba, which Ba by itself makes the B sound, but with the Kasra, it makes the B sound. B. That's how it's pronounced. Ba by itself, without any vowel on it, makes the B sound, the B sound. But with a Dhamma, it's pronounced as Boo. So it's A, E, U, Ba, Bi, Boo. Sukoon over top of Ba just indicates that you say B. That's it. So we'll move to the letter Ta. Ta, with a Fatha over top of it, makes the T sound. I'm sorry, Ta without a Fatha. Alhamdulillah. Ta without any vowel on it makes the T sound. However, when you add a Fatha to it, it makes the Ta sound. Ta, when you add the Kasra, it makes the T sound. Ta, when you put a Dhamma with it, it makes the Tu sound. Ta, with the Sukoon, it makes the T sound. It indicates to pronounce it as if it didn't have any vowels over it. The last letter of the four, the first four letters, is Tha. Tha, by itself, without any vowels, makes the Th sound. So with a Fatha, Tha is pronounced as Tha. With a Kasra underneath it, it is pronounced as Thi. With a Dhamma placed over top of it, it's pronounced as Thu. And with a Sukoon, it goes back to being pronounced as Th, as if there's no vowels. Now what I want to do in the next section coming up is we're going to connect these letters, inshallah. And then we'll go over another 4, and that'll conclude our first class tonight. We can take a break.